I always loved physics, but one night my equations met something I couldn't explain. My lamp flickered, strange. At first I blamed faulty wiring, but my textbooks began sliding off the desk. My heart skipped. Was this real? I grabbed my EMF meter. Yes, I own one. The readings spiked wildly. Static tingled across my skin. What was happening? Physics says energy can't be created or destroyed. But this felt like energy with a mind of its own. I whispered, "Hello." The air grew colder. My breath fogged. Science explained so much, but not this chilling presence. That night I realized physics and the paranormal might intersect. Sometimes what we can't measure still changes everything.